Hi, I'm Sridevi Gunda. I am based in Hyderabad. I have joined Jspiders in May 2023. I am a MC graduate. I have got trained in Jspiders for Java full stack development. During my course, I was trained on Core Java by Pawan sir, Vivek sir, and Advanced Java by Radha ma'am and Ravi sir, and Web Technology by Reshma ma'am and Geeta ma'am, and SQL by Afroz sir and Sanjay sir. I was I was trained in very detail with every concept. I have understood all the concepts theoretically and practically here, and I was a slow learner, but still I got encouragement by the faculty, and I have attended many interviews. Finally, I got placed.